Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, this is very short tutorial for your next assignments or for your next task to prepare you for that. Okay, for AutoCAD assignments, yeah, in future, you need to record your screen. So in order to record the screen, I'm showing you how to get the free screen recorder from the internet. Okay, this is one of the sample, but actually you can just Google or you can search for other free screen recorder. And for me, and this one is called screencastomatic.com. You also can use this one, and then you just click launch free recorder, so you can get the free record, and then it will record your screen. Okay, why I need you to record your screen? Because I need to know how you using all the AutoCAD command. Are you using the right command to use when drawings the AutoCAD drawings? Okay, example, if you launch the free record, it will pop up like this, and you can have the settings. So please choose the right setting. Check your microphone, check your camera. You can choose either only your screen or webcam or both. So you can check it out, this one. Do read the setting before anything, and then you just click record, and you have your screen being recorded. Okay, the next one is your keyboard. Okay, in doing all the tasks in AutoCAD, you need to have the shortcut key, the shortcut key you're using. So if you click example control, this one, you have control S, control C, like copy, control C, and you have the shift button. Sometimes when I say shift button, you just click this one. If I say alternate button, this is alternate, ALT, alternate button, and this is the space bar, the long one, the long button. Okay, and the one, okay, FN, okay, I explain later. This one is escape, ESC, escape, at the top left. Okay, and then you have the delete on the top right. Okay, you have I and S, insert, pause and break. This one is print screen, PRTSC, print screen. You have enter, you have shift, you have control, alternate again. Okay, this one FN, it is in a bit of gray color. Maybe at your keyboard it quite different, but you can have a look, have a check. Okay, for me, as you can see from the upper button, you have the gray color also. F1, F2 is being in gray color, F1 until F12. Okay, so if I want to use the F12 button, I need to click the FN and F12. If not, if I don't press the FN button, you just get, is either the questions mark command or either the sound command. As you can see, the sound command, the Wi-Fi command, the positive, negative, or the sound command. But if I want to use the F9 command, I need to click the FN and click F9. Why I'm showing this? Because in AutoCAD command, you have certain times you need to use the FN, F8. That one is the shortcut key. Okay, shortcut key. C for copy, Control V for paste, like that. And this is the mouse. Okay, you have the left click. When I said left click, this one, and the right click. And you have roller in the middle. You need to have a roller. And for your information, you can press the roller. You can press the roller. And if you press and roll up and roll down the roller, actually you can get the zoom command in AutoCAD. Okay, press and roll up and roll down. If you roll up and roll down, it's just a pen. I mean PAN for the pen command in AutoCAD. So you need to explore and try out what's the difference. If you push and roll, what's the difference? If you just roll up and roll down, what's the difference? Hopefully you understand what is delete, DEL, ESC for escape, and PRTSC is print screen. Okay, thank you. Oh, and don't forget alternate, ALT, and CTRL is control. Okay, bye. Thank you for listening.